RJ Tricks. If you have not liked and subscribed, don't forget to like and subscribe. Today I'm gonna talk about Terra, look at its charts and what I think is Terra. Terra is absolutely monster right now. Literally from last year, 50 cents to $58. That's like 100, is it 100,000 X actually, right? So 5, so 10X, 100X, right? Yep. So almost 100x, so basically 1000 to 50,000, I mean $100,000, right? So pardon my math but yeah, really excited with the Terra, and I own some Terra as well. But so let's look at the chart, right? So Terra was really, like, if you just look at the all time, Terra was really in 50 cents or 40 cents, something around there. I think that's what, yeah. Started in like 18 or 19, lead 18 and 19. I think they went live. But if you look at the coin market cap price history, 2019 itself, the price was a dollar. Then it dipped to like 24, 20 cents, even 18 cents looks like, right? On 2020 it was really nobody was talking about, and then boom, right, 21 happened, and you can see that Terra hit all-time high of 21, $22. And with all the Bitcoin and altcoin, we had a massive dip, but now it's really getting the momentum, right? Even the Bitcoin is not hitting that all-time high, still kind of below all-time high. This just rocket, right? So a lot of altcoin names are doing really well, extremely well, and you can clearly see that really good strong uptrend. So if you look at, like, 3 months, um, slowly look at that, this is good. Like, it's not like massive up, we're getting some pullback, then boom, right? So 35, then we had a 53, then we have 40, and right now today it hit the all-time high. Right now 58.76, it's a Terra's all-time high. Now it's like, what is Terra, what they do, right? So what the one of the massive problem Terra is traveling, you know Terra Luna is trying to solve is a cross-border exchange, right? Think about it. Like, you are in the United States, you want to buy something from somebody in, I don't know, like Malaysia, right? I don't know what their currency is. Yeah, let's say Singapore, since I don't know the Malaysian currency. But let's say Singapore, right? You want to buy something. So Singapore, she doesn't know dollar, so basically he talks in Singapore dollar. I think Singapore is also a dollar, so Singapore currency, right? Now you have US dollar, so you go through the bank, exchange, and send it, wire it, just hassles, cost a lot of money, then he has to go, and it's like you have a waiting period, right? So that's there, right? And also there's a really huge cost of transactions, right? So what they're really trying to do is creating a blockchain where basically they have a voting mechanism. So if you are a coin holder, Luna holder, you can vote on what coin to, create. Like, they have Luna USD for USD, and there's bunch of I mean, we can go over those, but those, right? And they also have um, um, all the APIs for developers to create any applications, right? So you can literally create something, which just takes you know um, US dollars, Terra USD, and change into something else, right? So you could do that. So they are a full-blown ecosystems where basically, and if you talk about this, is there's a huge market. Think about it, right? PayPal, right? PayPal is a 100 billion plus company. Same with the Square, it's another 100 billion, right? That's 200 billion. If you look at the market cap of Terra, it's just 22 billion right now. Pretty small, right? So I could easily see 10x them, right? So 10x would be what, 580, and it's, you know um, 229 billion, right? Again, this is not fully diluted market. This is the what's the current circulation coin, and the circulation is also not too bad. Right now the supply is 391 million, but there's total supply is 867. And how they stable the prices, they burn their, it's a really mathematical algorithm based coins, and they will burn the Luna, and I think they can create two. So it just depend upon the supply and demand. You can actually look into their websites and basically go under, like, what is Terra protocols, how this work, a lead design open source public protocol. So algorithmic stable coin, right? Stable coins are basically the coins, right? I was talking about the TUSD, Terra, SDR, SDT. I don't know that what the SDR, but they have the other stables like Terra USD, right? UST it's called, Terra KRW, it's a Korean. And they have a lot of partnerships. Like I think the problem right now is, right, so you have bunch of systems. You have this Apple Pay, Samsung, this, that. There's hundreds and hundreds, and still they're like, kind of same, but they have their native currency and whatnot. But this is basically one in its systems which just talks with each other, right? So it's pretty cool, and I definitely see there's lot of opportunity for this. And also they have a big partnerships in Asia. I think they started in Korea, and a lot of company with the product. They're I think they move about 25 billions or more. They are doing some partnerships. That's great. So there's a lot of things happening, and you can see Curve Finance, one of the I think one of the based on the Terra is a curve. Maybe you can check it out. I haven't deep dive much into it, so can't really talk, but I will as I go. But really, really cool things happening there. And if you just look at the price itself, just price speaks, right? You don't even need to look into much. So this is not a meme coin. This is a utility coin doing a lot of utility, and you can clearly see that, right? Like last year, September, August, right? Almost 40, 45 cents to with a rip, then dip. And right now, if you look at the chart, clear strong uptrend, and it just consolidated. And look at this, like how it supported trend line perfectly, and boom, right? The volume picking up, good breakout today. Today we went from 50 to 50, a really massive breakout, hitting that all-time high. So let's see if it hold this support, this breakout level act as a support, and we go higher. So yeah, if you guys want me to cover a video like this, let me know, comment and share. But other than that, have a great day and see you all. Thank you.